jobs where space is small, but performance matters the most. Introducing the TYPHON TERROR X STORM Mini Excavator. A 1.0-ton powerhouse designed to handle tough, precise work in tight environments. Built with a protective canopy and packed with 13 versatile attachments, this compact machine delivers excellent maneuverability for farms, gardens, parks, orchards, and public spaces, whether it's digging, trenching, lifting, grading, or material handling. With its 1-ton operating weight, this excavator offers reliable, steady power. It runs on a 13.5 HP Briggs Stratton air-cooled single-cylinder engine, providing consistent performance with efficient fuel use. Designed for challenging work sites, it features a 30-degree climbing capability, a 12.7-liter hydraulic oil tank, and a 6.6-liter fuel tank. Its hydraulic system includes a 6 milliliters pump displacement, 21.6 liters per minute system and mainstream flow, and 17 MPa system pressure combined with a 10 kilonewtons bucket. Digging force, 1.5 kilometers per hour travel speed, and 2.43 kgf CBM ground pressure. The TERROR X STORM delivers smooth, stable, and precise control on any terrain. Even first-time users can operate it easily. Its compact size and responsive joystick controls allow precise digging, lifting, and material handling on tight, soft, or uneven ground. The canopy protects the operator while maintaining excellent visibility. And with quick attachment changes, the machine adapts instantly to different jobs. Included with the TYPHON TERROR X STORM, you get 11 powerful attachments designed to maximize productivity. Quick coupler, 200 mm narrow bucket, 500 mm plain bucket, rake, ripper, auger, grapple, 600 mm screening skeleton bucket, 600 mm tilting bucket, hydraulic brake hammer, and pallet fork. Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.